Look at her. Doing the wrong thing.
You see the way I swung that in there?
Did you say hey, YouTube?
Hey, YouTube. It's Kendall and Bunny.
I just struck the phone. Hey, guys.
Hey, guys. Hey, guys.
Big old smile.
Who? Yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at them big old dimples.
Welcome back to our channel. Guess where we're going?
We going camping. We going camping. It's my first time going camping.
Mine too, because I'm not an outside person.
Neither am I. So this is going to be interesting. This is going to be so interesting.
A whole experience because I don't like to be outside in the summer at all.
It's dark and dirty and there are mole people down there.
Garments, mosquitoes, and all of the above.
Yeah.
Why are we going camping?
Because it's my friend's birthday, and so, you know, the best way to go outside is to go outside. So we're going camping for my Barbara's birthday, Bria. Happy birthday. We're going to do this for you. Okay, I don't know if we're going to make it, but we're going to do this for you. What you think? You going to be okay out there?
Yeah, my arm is so tired.
Okay, because you're holding the device.
And we still have to get that mount that we've been talking about for months.
Yeah, we do.
Okay, so where are we going?
Oh, it's hot. I know that for sure. First things first, I think that we should go to...
And the phone is totally slipping.
Walmart. I think we should go to Walmart.
This is going to be the worst.
Well, no, I think we should go to Target. No, I think we should go to Walmart first.
Okay, so we're going to go get... We have absolutely no camping gear.
Okay, let's go to Target first because they had the off on sale. I saved a coupon for that.
The off on sale.
The off is on... I'm so 30-something. Yeah, the off is on sale, so I'm going to go grab that.
My arm's tired. Like,
stop shooting me.
When I tell you my arm is tired, it's so tired and it keep falling. It's like... Okay. Oh, she mad.
What's she mad about? She mad she got work during this pandemic. And she's like, I'm going to quit Walmart as soon as this is over with.
This is a cool little buggy. She
It's
said
really
they
set
already clean. Ma'am, you did not clean the sides where the people put their hands at.
No, she only cleaned this part right here.
She was yelling at me because I was like, she didn't even clean that cart. They all wiped down, honey. They all wiped down. Now you know. These people only be wiping down the orange part on the cart. Then I'll pull the whole cart by the whole around. No, she knows she ain't wiped this cart.
Okay,
right
I
here.
got one thing.
Gross.
But you don't care. You don't have a mask on, so you best be quiet. Me, on the other hand,
Where we at?
I'm out here fully. And this is better than those masks, those blue masks. I couldn't breathe in those. At first, I was like, "Ooh, they made this a little snug." I want to tell people over there at Marathon Clothing Store, thank you so much for getting my delivery here in a week. But this is snug.
Can you pull
Oh,
it?
yeah. She said, you gonna let it go ahead. She got it. Okay, should we get the food first? Oh, no, I gotta step on my list. Okay, I gotta get some good stuff. So we in Walmart right now. Okay, let me take this off. I know, I'm gonna say, we in Walmart right now to get some stuff. Go look at the campus stuff. Oh, my God.
Oh my God, y'all didn't see a goddamn shirt rack that took off my arm. Didn't want to be great. Okay, we're finna get some camping stuff. So we got a little list.
I can't wait to find the sound effect for that.
Soon as it hit it, I hit the stop button. Soon as I hit
Why?
it was on accident. My finger just stopped the camera. But anyway,
That's messed up.
we're gonna show y'all what we're gonna get. Let me just kind of get myself together in here because there's a lot of people and I don't want to catch a virus when they come in my mouth. Oh, pillows. We're gonna get these. So we need something to lay our heads on. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We can get these. These $3.97. What you thinking?
See how much the other pillows is.
It's complete. Comfort. Oh, I like these. $2.97. That's $1 cheaper. We'll get these. We're gonna get these.
One of each. Yours gonna go flat in 3 seconds.
I like flat pillows. Have you noticed that I lay on the mattress?
Sometimes.
Yeah, I don't like on the pillow. It'll make my neck hurt. No, but here's the thing though. I'm gonna carry all this stuff.
You gonna carry it?
I don't think so. I'm moving too fast. Okay, we don't need pillows right away. Let's go to the tent. Let's go get the camping stuff. We need a tent. We need sleeping bags. We need some wine. We need important stuff. This is beyond me. I'm gonna use the,
I can't find the camping stuff. She can't find the camping stuff.
I ain't seen not one blue vest the whole time we've been up in this joint neither.
This is not Target. Target, they be on the floor. Oh, I hear blue. That aisle right there.
What?
I heard someone blue over there.
Oh,
Over there. Oh my
question,
God.
where's the tent and camping stuff you guys have?
Straight in the corner. Go right there. Even if you hit that wall,
She just pointed from the way we just came from.
Sporting goods.
Okay, right.
We just came from
Thank
that
you
way,
so much.
so
I
I
appreciate
don't
that.
even know how that
Thank
happened.
you for being here as well.
So why we walking
problem.
straight now?
We're going to the right.
Oh,
Yeah, it's right into sporting goods.
Where
So
we
we definitely
at?
walked past it. I don't know what's going on here, but here go the candle I wanted to get.
that's the citronella candle.
Yeah, this is it.
Girl, grab multiple of them. Why
First thing,
they made it red, white, and blue.
first, because of USA. I'm proud to be an American. Listen.
And silver. Get a silver one.
Oh my God, I hate this camera. The kid is just so ridiculous. I can't take her nowhere, y'all. She just staring at people, looking at them. Kid, you think that's okay? Why are you looking at him like that?
I don't know. He looked like his face was jacked.
He like he needs the mask. Okay, I think we finally getting close to the tent stuff. It's only taking us 100 hours. We passed it up already.
I want one of these.
We gotta go hiking up in the thing. We gotta go hiking to the campsite. We can carry this to the campsite. Look at this.
I don't see why we can't put it on your back, like
Oh, okay. We're gonna put everything on my back.
this. Y'all seen that? Ain't that's how that go?
I thought we were gonna be on the episode of Survivor or something like. This is ridiculous now. We just spending money.
Okay, let's find this camping.
Yeah,
It's $3. Yeah, it's $3.
Wait, I seen something about a small fan inside your tent because you could get hot.
Yeah, in May.
Yeah, it's been 80-something degrees. Something that sits up, babe. Not
Do we
something you
need
gotta
this?
hold.
Oh, I mean, you just
It's something that sits up and it doesn't have to be
look at
plugged
that.
in.
You just do like this. I'm gonna get this one though. This
That's
got
the
batteries
water in it. Yeah, that's the one that missed the water in your face.
Yeah, does this have batteries?
Let's see. Okay.
All these require a plug. I don't believe we're gonna have a plug out there. What's this? Look, this rechargeable. That's cool. Oh, y'all gotta see it.
We gotta have something to charge it on.
Yeah, the computer.
This right here. This is. Oh shit. Okay, I'm just gonna not worry about it.
I'm gonna get one
Oh,
of
this is
these.
plugged into a USB, but we gotta have a charger. But the tent that I seen online, it has a cord coming out of it. I'm like, where's it gonna plug into?
I don't know. Maybe it's a charger or something.
I need a customer by the name of Shirley A. Please come to customer service. A customer by the name of Shirley. Last name starts with an A. Please come to
Shirley, they looking for you. Shirley.
Okay, I seen they had this stove that you take camping with you, and it's plugged into those plug into it to make you get a fire.
We ain't pros yet.
Oh, okay. She said negative. All right, here we are. Here we go. We're gonna look for some
Tents
tents.
and canopies.
We just getting a tent. We ain't getting no canopy.
Let's do this.
It's only $40. I don't understand.
It ain't about being $40. I gotta look up the reviews because if it's hard to put up, we in deep
But
shit.
look, it's a tent part with a canopy. I don't think you understand that. That's dope. We in the shade, but we don't have to be inside the tent. Yeah, I'm here for this.
Oh my God, you just gonna pick the first one you see, Lord Jesus.
This is misleading.
Don't give me the line. Let me see if this is the one.
It slits forward. Look, it clips onto all canopy
Yeah,
legs.
it says canopy not included.
Yeah.
That's it. So let's just stick to the plan, all right?
Don't be rigid.
I'm not. I'm not being rigid. I'm just saying you're getting off the course here, man. Wow, my whole cart is going. No, it's not.
I'm thinking.
Where's my cart?
Right there.
Oh no. I got the Walmart app, child. Here you go. Wow, my whole cart is gone.
How?
It's gone.
It's right there.
That's
Look.
not the cart that I made last night. I wasn't signed into my Walmart when I made the cart. So now it signed me into my Walmart and my cart is gone.
That's messed up.
No, wait a minute though. I took screenshots. That's how I was like really trying to do my research on tents.
We need something with screens on it. Look at this. I don't know what these. These the only ones? They got a canopy right there. That thing,
We're not getting the canopy.
$4.
Yeah, we're going for 3 days.
Well, we're finna get the one with the walls. Why my camera keep losing focus?
One hour later.
Start shop. Alright. What is that? An oak trail? Oh, Ozark Trail.
Oh, that's why this $100 and some. It takes 12 people can fit in it. That's a cabin tent. This is a dark rest tent. It got with built-in LED lights. It's probably $100 and some odd dollars.
Built-in LED lights. Well, it's $158.
Yeah, this tent got a screen porch. Like, what is that?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's the type of shit, stuff you want.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's not make a decision right now, okay? Let's go to Target. Let's go to Cabela's, and then we'll go from there. It's getting pretty early. Let's get what little small stuff that we can get done.
What do we need? Lawn chairs?
I got lawn chairs already.
I got lawn chairs already. Do we need balls?
I don't know. We need a ball.
Balls.
It does so I can rub.
What about a golf table? We need a golf table or anything? Any of these sporting goods? Do we need any of these? I don't think so. Do we need a table? Play cards on. What's that? Your wheeler cooler? So that's a wagon.
Yeah, that's a big wagon. I don't want nothing like that.
You look foldable.
Okay.
A backpack? Back.
It's pretty small. They had one that was like one that was.
Oh, there's food canisters and stuff. We need that. How about this plastic table setting? Do we need this?
I don't know. Do you plan on eating like real food? I mean, like cooked food. You know? Are you plan on eating like?
Are we gonna eat out of our hands if we don't?
I don't know. I mean, we're gonna make. I'm bringing sandwiches and stuff. I mean, like I guess we can like grab like hot dogs and like take some hot.
Oh
dog
yeah,
buns.
can we make a fire?
Well, yes. I asked her. She said that they made a fire last time, and that
They roasted some salmon.
we got firewood from Walmart and fire starters last time. You're gonna take that and the sticks as well with your fire.
I don't got no sticks.
The sticks will be out the fucking where we're going.
Oh, off. Oh yes, plant-based repellent.
Okay, remember going to Target and have
Oh, for how many offs do you have a coupon for? I might try this one. Oh, this is a moist towelette though. Oh, that fell. Yeah, I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna grab this. Oh, Deep Woods. Yeah, let's get the Deep Woods one.
Yeah, I think that the 10-on-1 is at Target, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, it's $55.
Do we need these dishes?
I don't think so.
No, I don't think so. What about a collapsible cup?
I don't think I need any of that stuff.
They wouldn't make this stuff if we didn't need
Yeah, I
it.
get 55 cents off that off at Target.
A collapsible bottle. This is interesting to have. I might buy it just because. Yeah, let's get that.
Look at these freeze dried. Look at this. Look, show the people this. Look at this freeze dried chili mac with beef.
Oh, they must eat that MREs, the Army people.
Just add water, ready in 10 minutes. No extra cleanup.
I'm not sure why my phone keeps going out of focus, but we will
This
get
is
it.
like this what that mean? Like in the army, like in that Afghanistan.
MRE. Meal ready. I don't know what the E stand for.
Yep, that's why I never signed up for that type of stuff. Did we need to get an air mattress or a pump?
No. Oh, I have it
Because you don't have a pump. We need something
with a pump.
We can just get a pump, charge it. Oh, this one takes batteries. Or should we just do this one, charge this one in the car?
A battery pump?
This one is a battery pump. This one you just charge it in the car.
But I think that my thing, it has a built-in pump now that I think about it.
So it's not something that needs to be plugged into a wall or anything?
Right, it would need to be plugged into the wall if it's a built-in pump.
Oh, okay. So we need, we need a whole air mattress then.
Yeah, and it's our, look at these. See these little air beds up here? They're going to fit in our tent.
Yeah. I look for a tent that could fit up to a queen size.
Okay. But should we get two
twins or two? Or just one?
Maybe two twins.
We do one standard.
That looks little.
One queen.
Yeah.
Cause I mean, you don't want to lay with me.
Yeah, you don't want to lay with me.
You don't want to lay with me.
Sure.
You don't want to lay with me.
I'll lay with you.
Lay with me. Lay with me. All right.
Meanwhile, she just put her mask on for the camera.
It was just off. Well, I want to remind everyone to be safe. You know what I'm saying, and just, you know, I want to be on a set example. Okay.
Why would we want an ice cream sandwich? Like, why did they find this pertinent to make? It feels so hard. I am gonna try it. You think we should try some of these? Just because, just to be extra? Yeah, we're gonna get 2 ice cream sandwiches and scrambled eggs and chili mac with beef. We're actually gonna get this stuff and tell y'all how it goes. You want this instead of our tiki torch?
Well, I'm just using a flashlight in the middle of the night. You know, a bear might be not gonna flash some goddamn on body. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, look, a tent.
Oh, look, a tent.
It's only 6 pieces. That sounds so smart to get that instead of all the little pieces that we've got. It comes with 2 chairs, 2 sleeping bags, and a table, and a tent.
So you don't want my chair I bought you? Or return it?
Oh, I don't know. How much is this? Is only $98.
Can I look it up and see what the reviews say about putting it together?
Sure.
I really want to go see my tent at Target.
Okay. You know what? We don't have to get a pack.
All night trying to.
But this one has a table. Does your one at Target have a table?
No. Here's a good thing about this is that Target is right up the street. So
Okay, let's go.
I can come right back. We can come right back.
Okay.
Well, I'm looking for the cart thing, though. I'm still looking for something.
What cart thing?
The cart thing that they just told me about to carry all of our
Remember,
stuff.
I showed you where that was. What's that? Your wheeler cooler. So that's a wagon.
Yeah, that's a big wagon. I don't want nothing like that.
You don't know where you want to go.
Whatever. I'm actually looking for stuff. You know?
Well, I keep trying to find you.
Stop rolling up on me. You know what food did we plan on bringing? Did we plan on so the sandwich meat, fruit, water, wine, something else that you would like? Maybe we can get some dip for the chips, some chips or something. I don't know. I'm just trying to think.
Mm.
You have to think of what we're gonna eat, babe. I need
Which
you
one
to
has
put it in your
wheels?
mind. These have wheels. Those have wheels. This
So
has
then let's
wheels.
just get the big one.
Okay, but I'm asking you because I need. You have to be strategic. I'm trying to think about what we're pulling, what we're carrying. Like she said, you don't want.
Yeah,
to
that's why
bring
she
too much
said.
stuff.
That's why she said get it on wheels. So if this is on wheels, it doesn't matter that we're dragging it. That wouldn't
Okay,
be
but I
something
also
I'd be
think
worried
about
about.
Space in the car too. So here's the thing.
Space in
That's
the
a
car?
Big, yeah, that's a big thing.
Your trunk is huge.
Can I finish? Cause we have to put the babe.
Because I think
I want you to like collaborate with me. Like not. I want you to understand what I'm saying and why.
I do understand what you're saying, but I also think that you're overthinking things.
Okay.
So you can't get mad at me because you're being so difficult in this state of mind.
I ain't mad. You just. Okay. Right. Come on. We can do this.
Exactly. And now drag her.
No, I'm just gonna put it in the cart.
This is Lucy. Lucy will keep us cool. Lucy the igloo. Oh no, this short. Oh, there it goes. It's long now. Look at that. Look, and it got a built-in table. She was tripping. Somebody asked her what she doing.
Give me the cool. I have to be organized.
Can't take the black person camping. Have you ever been quiet? That's crazy.
All right, we need to get some water.
Someone likes to just throw things in the buggy.
We need some batteries too. For the bed, for the well, it's made by the same company, so I think it fits. Okay. They gotta read that. That's easy, ain't it? Let's see what kind of batteries we need for this.
Probably
Okay, we
D.
need 6 Ds. and
You'll
we need-
see.
Oh, you smart.
Yeah.
She uses batteries still. She's excited. And then we need 6 C's on this. Mm-hmm. Okay, we need batteries. Mm-hmm. We also need a hammer. We need something.
Why do we need? I was
The
playing
tent
with,
hammer. You're playing with.
I was playing with a mallet
Yeah, I need it for the tent.
because we have stakes in our tent.
We need to be able to nail our tent down to the ground.
Stakes.
Yeah, there you go.
I didn't know we were getting this stakes in the tent.
That's why we need to be able to read. We need to find out what we're doing, what kind of tent we get.
Well, let's not get the mallet until we get the tent before we get the stakes. Like, cause, you know.
Whatever you say.
Okay, y'all, let's not get that right down.
Okay, where was the parts at?
I don't remember, but I remember you saying they were down here last time.
I need an umbrella too.
Is it supposed to rain next weekend?
Oh, it's got a weird handle. Oh no, let me check the weather. Oh, is it gonna rain?
Oh, he got a little stove.
Oh, it's gonna thunderstorm on Friday.
Wow, that's why we need a tent with the room.
What you talking about, cuz? Okay, where to put it? This on me.
Look at the stove. You want to get this? Why? That's only $30.
We're gonna do the fire thing. I want to do the real camp experience.
Wow. So you're gonna hold your pot over the fire like this with your arm?
She said it has a thing on it. I saw them. I saw the picture, baby. Excuse me. Yeah. Is there some carts for tents? I mean, for carrying stuff, like carrying carts? It's like foldable carrying
She's
carts.
asking about a cart she already saw.
Carry or roll? Huh?
The little wagon thing, right? Yeah. Oh wow. She just walked right past these again.
Okay. All right.
That's because we was looking at the balls. That's because we was looking at the balls when we walked past this.
What's this? Is it that backpack thing?
Backpack.
No, that was a hammer. All right, let's go. We doing it. We doing it, Target. I mean, Walmart.
So no, you don't want this cart?
I'm going. We're going to Target. I don't have to make a decision right now. Still got to go to clothes. Did you look up the tent to see if this is the right tent? I mean,
Wait, what?
I mean, did you look up the bag to see if this is the right
evidence
bag?
is inconclusive.
Oh.
I'm just gonna assume that warm weather mean warm weather, like you said.
Do you feel like we need like a sheet or something? Like, do you think it's gonna be cold?
That's what the sleeping bags is for.
Something to put over the air mattress. Something to put over the air mattress.
I have sheets in the house.
Okay.
Banana. Do we need games?
Yeah, man. Let's get speak out.
Gator golf. I remember that. Oh, a rock and roll party game. What kind of games are y'all gonna bring? Bears versus babies. This looks cute. We gotta get games we never heard of. Oh, headbands, the adult version. Let's get that. Oh, unsolved case files. Wow. We can solve murder mysteries.
Come on.
Oh, what about escape room? Do you like escape rooms? What? It's just because it never came up in your group of friends is why you never done it? Or is it something you're like scared of?
When the escape room came out, I was living in LA by myself. He's like, some $4, some $5. Why not? You might as well get this much, and then by the time the total come up, it'd be this much.
Oh, this is expensive.
What is it?
My
You
fan.
don't need that fan, girl.
How you know it's gonna be hot and sticky?
Whatever. Go ahead.
I'll bring it back if I want it. If I want to use it.
She don't know what whooping means. She don't know what whooping means. Because my mama already said before we came up in the store,
Don't make no noise.
don't you make no noise, don't you touch nothing, don't you do nothing.
But she's too loud. Girl, I have a ton of these at home.
My mama would drag me. Put it to the side then.
Is it any different than the ones I like the candles with? Yeah, we don't need that.
Oh, okay. I said put it to the side. She threw it over the thing. That's why you can't take black folks nowhere.
Oh, we got a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Huh?
We go.
Yeah, right? Queen airbag, $15. That's not
Oh,
bad.
yeah, that's good.
Yeah, you did good, girl.
And then we got a portable fan. Oh, the battery, baby.
Target has batteries.
Babe, Walmart and Target are different price points.
$15 fan.
Should we put the fan back? Because we got to carry that, you know?
Yeah.
We got to carry that. I think we'll be okay.
But she said to bring one of these.
No, I saw it online.
All right.
I saw it online.
But you get hot. No, it's necessary.
We ain't even got the tent yet.
Wow. Well, that's because we have things that we don't need for camping. That's why I can't find the bags. We sleeping bags in the way. It's a line to get in Target.
Money. Why is there a line to get in here? So they can see how many people in the store just at one time?
Probably make you almost not want to go up in there. Look at her having to teach that baby how to wear a mask, and he ain't taking it off. She probably said, no, little Johnny, you got to keep it on.
I don't think his name Johnny, but yeah.
Seen some stores opening June 18th.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Home Goods, Marshalls.
I don't know if it was that, but people trying to open. It was a restaurant.
Yeah. Can I say your ginger ale? I feel weak. I ain't gonna lie
Me too.
to you.
I'm not
I feel
interested in
heavy.
this Target run.
I'm not either, but we need a tent.
We do.
We
What if we
definitely
got
do.
it
I got a
Friday? What
little
if we get it
headache.
Friday morning?
No, I don't want to wait that late because I need to know if it's gonna work. I need to do all my research in case I get time to return everything. I'm not a last minute person, so that ain't gonna work.
I mean, I only said Friday morning because you work Monday through Thursday.
I understand, but
That's why we should've
that's
came
why I'm
yesterday.
doing it today, so that I'll be ready. I'd rather be days in advance. You know, if we go on a trip somewhere, I like to have my bag packed days in advance. She ain't playing, y'all. She not really trying to go up in this Target. I'm trying to hear if the line is gone. She tripping. Come on, man, before we be having to stand out in the heat. Ever since her legs and got thick, she just do what she want to do.
All right, sit down.
Ever since your legs got thick, boy. Ever since quarantine, she been eating whatever she want to eat. Right there. That's them Nikes.
They kind of too big.
That's them Air Maxes right there. What's them? Those are Air Maxes too right there. Yeah. What y'all know about these? Oh. All right, y'all. Managed to find the camping stuff. The air mattresses. We already have ours. So we're good there. Chairs. We got that. Okay. Yeah, Target's aisles are really small. But looking for the perfect tent. It's a tent I saw online. I'm gonna freak out if it's not here. I think that's it. I think this is it. No, that's 64. No, that ain't it. Okay, I'm gonna put y'all down and be back.
Ponchos for the rain. And I suggested green so we can blend in with nature.
And then it's lime green, so I think a bear would still eat you because it's like, oh, I really see you. Because you bright green. I'm gonna go with the blue, the Nipsey.
Then I guess I'll go with pink.
Is that pink? Okay.
Yeah, because for the Barbies.
Yeah. Pink for the Barbies. That little camping section is kind of ski.
Here.
Yeah. Well, this is the first.
Do we need a first aid?
I was thinking about that. I'm thinking we can go to the dollar store and make our own first aid kit.
Okay. Yeah. Well, let's see. Maybe it's breathing tools in here or something. Maybe you should take a picture of the back of this so you know what to get.
Okay.
This has ibuprofen in it. This has antihistamine. I think this might be worth it.
Tick remover.
Who can get ticks?
After bite. I don't know, I was reading it. You flip it
Yeah,
all
let's
over.
just go ahead and get that.
Oh my gosh, Kenidra.
Well, I just don't think you'll be able to get all 12 of those things. Everything at the dollar store is $1. So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
It's only 2 aspirin. It's only 2 ibuprofen. These gonna be like the little packs, boo.
Okay.
Yeah, these gonna be like little packs like if you at your job.
And we out.
Wow.
And we out. Okay, so we are done with getting our camping stuff. We got everything for the most part, and now we about to eat us some seafood. So we hungry. We'll come back when we actually will get ready to go camping.